Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Binance account directly to your bank, step by step, updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Binance app and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on Wallet at the bottom, then go to Funding or Spot depending on where your funds are. Step 3. Tap Withdraw, then select Fiat. Step 4. Choose the currency you want to withdraw, like USD, EUR, or your local currency. Step 5. Select a withdrawal method. Common options include bank transfer, SEPA or SWIFT, or card withdrawal depending on your region. Step 6. Enter your bank account details if you haven't already. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 7. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and tap Continue. Step 8. Review the transaction summary and confirm the withdrawal. Note: processing time may vary by region, usually between 1 to 3 business days, and that's it. Your funds will be on their way to your bank account. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step tutorials.